What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Psycheart Cars. We got another Toyota video. Still getting some work. The 3VZFE, check her out, 1993. But today we are going to be showing you how to check the voltage on your battery as fast as possible. So besides just grabbing a metal wrench and chucking it on there,
Firefighters are responding to an explosion that damaged a fertility clinic.
you can get one of these magical tools called a multimeter. And for the functions that we're using today, if you want this exact model, you can find the link in the description. It's on Amazon, and I would really appreciate it so I can keep making valuable car content just like this. And check out all the cool features on this thing. It's got the backlight, it's got a flashlight on it. And then what we are going to use today is not the MV, but the big V one. And you want to be in the Omega or resistance port for the red and the black port for COM. And then check this out. Turn on the backlight, put black on black, and put the positive on. We get 12.58. And I mean, it's really that easy. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta get a multimeter, check your battery if it's down. If it's under about 12 or so, it probably won't start. You're gonna need yourself a little jump box right there. Or, I mean, I don't know. This ain't the point of the video. Figure out, you got your voltage now. This is on you. Next step for you.